At this point, you know how to start Scotch Box, you know how to download it, you know how to pause it, destroy it, you know how to make file changes, connect to the database or the dat bus, the database. You should be good to go. Like, you can probably take this or run with it. However, I just want to keep going and showing you all the cool features. And if you aren't going to run with it, feel free to follow along still. If you open up iTerm and you connect to the box, remember how I was saying there's all these neat features as part of Scotch Box? For example, Node, Go, Ruby. Now imagine on your actual operating system, like say if you're on a Windows or a Mac and it's kind of locked down and you can't download certain things, or you just don't know how, or the overhead, and you want something like curl. Like I have curl installed on my actual laptop, as you can see here. But what if you didn't and you wanted curl? Well, the cool thing is, because everything's packaged in this box, there's going to be a version of curl that's in here too. So you can see I have two different versions of curl, but that's because whatever's inside this box is the stuff that came pre-packaged. So if you wanted to do like Ruby, you can see Ruby's in there. Pretty much anything that you might not have on your local machine. Now, I'd advise you to probably, for example, if you were going to run Composer or even do curl requests or anything, you probably don't want to run it from the VM unless you have to. And you probably want to, just for performance reasons, it's going to be faster if you run it from your laptop. But it's just good to know that, like, there's a little bit of peace of mind knowing if you needed to run Grunt and you don't have Grunt set up on your machine, you could go into the Scotch Box and you can see Grunt CLI is already installed and there's a version of it. Same thing with everything else that's listed out here. All right, that's all I want to show you on that. In the next one, I'm going to wrap this lesson up by showing you how to mask a domain here, and that will kind of wrap things up.